Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Teacher Christine. So today we're going to learn about division of fraction, but we need to review our past lesson about simplest form. Okay, are you ready? What is simplest form? Next. Okay, simplest form, a fraction is in simplest form when the only factor, the numerator and denominator have common one. So you can simplify a fraction to its simplest form by dividing by a common factors. Okay, so we have, for example, the fraction is 8 over 24. So how do we get the simplest form of fraction? Okay, simplest form of fraction of 8 over 24. So first, 8 over 24, you divide into 2. Okay, so 8 has 2 and 24 has 2 also. So common denominator. So 8 divide 2 equals 4, and then 24 divide 2 is 12. So 4, 12. So this is not yet simplest form. So we need to divide again. So let's say divide 2 again. 4 divide 2 and 12 divide 2. So 4 divide 2 equals 2, and then 12 divide 2 equals 6. So 2, 6 is not yet. Okay, not yet. So let's divide again into 2. 2 divide 2 equals 1, and 6 divide 2 equals 3. So the simplest form is 1/3. Okay, so this is the simplest form. Okay, so how to get the simplest form? For example, the fraction is 4/8. So divided into 2. 4 divide 2, 8 divide 2, so equals 2/4. Okay, or still have 2/4. 2 divide 2 and 4 divide 2 equals 1 and 2. So 1/2. 1/2. So this is the simplest form. Again, greatest common factor 8 over 12. Okay, so divided 4. Divided 4. So 8 divide 4 equals 2. 12 divide 4 equals 3. So the simplest form is 2/3. 2/3. Okay. So now, let's, for example, 5 over 15. So what is the simplest form of 5 over 15? So let's say 5 divide 5, 15 divide 5. Okay, 5 divide 5 is 1, and 15 divide 5 is 3. So the answer is 1/3. 10 over 20. So divide 10. Divide 10. 10 divide 10 is 1. 20 divide 10 is 2. So the answer is 1/2 or 1 over 2. 6, 8. 6 divide 2, I guess. Yeah, 2. 6 divide 2 is 3. And 8 divide 2 is 4. So 3/4. Okay, the answer is 3/4. How do you get the simplest form? Just divide. Okay, now let's go to division of fractions. So did you remember that we had learned about division of fractions? Of course, we have reciprocal. So when we say reciprocal, we are switching the fraction. So what is the reciprocal of 4 over 5th? 4 over 5th. So the reciprocal of 4/5 is 5/4. So you change that. Change 5/4. Okay. So now let's proceed in division involving mixed numbers. So when performing a division involving mixed numbers, convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions before performing the division. Okay, so what is improper? Again, division involving mixed numbers. When performing a division involving mixed numbers, convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions before performing the division. Oh, improper. Okay, do you know improper? Okay, let's have example. So dividing mixed numbers. So 5 and 3 over 5 divide 2 and 1/3. So first, you multiply this one to become improper fraction, right? This is mixed number and this is mixed number to become improper fraction. So 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3 equals 28 over 5. Copy the denominator. Divide 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. Okay, so they are both improper fraction. So we have 28 over 5 divide 7 over 3. So equals 28 over 5. This is times na. Again, this is time. This point is sign of times. 3 over 7. Why is it 3 over 7? Because we changed the 7 over 3. Reciprocal. Okay? So it becomes 3 over 7. So 28 times 3 equals... Okay, so 28 and 5 and 3 over 7. So this is 1 and this is 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 1 equals 5. So you divide. 12 divided 5 is 2 and 2/5. Okay. Okay. Combine operations. Okay, so we finished about division of mixed number, division of fractions. Let's proceed in combine operations of fractions. So we have 3 steps. Number 1, first, perform the operations in the brackets. So what is bracket? Brackets again. First, perform the operations in the brackets. Then perform the multiplications and division from left to the right. Okay, so multiplication, times, and divide. If there's a bracket, do the bracket first. And then multiply and division. And then number 3, finally perform the addition and subtraction from left to right. So we have plus and minus. Again, bracket, times, division, plus, and minus. Those are the combined operations of fraction. Okay, so we have example here. So we have 1/3 plus 1 over 9, and then this is the bracket. We can call it bracket times 5 equals. So let's do the bracket first. 3 over 9 plus 1, 9 equals 4. 3 plus 1, 4 over 9. Okay, 4 over 9 times 5. So 4 times 5 is 20 over 9. So you divide it. Divide 20 over 9 or divide 9 equals 2 and 2, 9. Easy, right? So first you do the bracket first, and after that multiplication or division, and then plus and minus. Next, therefore, 1/3 plus 1 over 9 times 5 is equal to 2 and 2, 9. Okay, number 2 example. We have 1/2 minus 3/4. Divide 5 over 8. Okay, so do the bracket first. So we have bracket, right? Okay, so 7, 14 minus 3 over 14. Why is it 7, 14 minus 3 over 14? Why? Okay, so because to become 14, 7, 14 over 14. So I'm sorry, this is 14. I'm sorry, this is 14. 14. 1/2 minus 3 over 14. Okay, so that is 7 over 14 minus 3 over 14 times 8 over 5. So that is 414 times 8 over 5. So this become 7 and this is become 4. So equals 4 times 4 over 7 times 5. The answer is 16 over 35. Therefore, 1/2 minus 3 over 14. So we have bracket. Divide 5 over 8 equals 16 over 35. First, do the bracket first na. This is 14. Actually, this one. This is 14, okay? And then the answer is 16 over 35. Next, we have example again. So 7 and 5, 7 divide. We have bracket. This is bracket na. 14, 3 plus 7, 12. So do the bracket first. So we have 50 14 plus 7 is plus 5 is 54 over 7, and then do the bracket. This one is 14 plus 7, 21. Okay, so this is 54 over 7 divide 63 over 12. Okay, so 6 and 7 times 12 over 7. Okay, this is 6 and then this is 7. So 6 times 12 is 72, and then 7 times 7 equals 49. And then you divide it because it is improper. 72 divide 49 is 1 and 23 over 49. So 7 and 5, 7. 14, 3 plus 7 over 12. Why is it you divide it, you multiply this to become 12 na, to become 12, to become same. Man can same. Okay, one more. So 3 and 3, 4 times 4 and 2, 5 minus 11 over 15. So let's have 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 3 equals 15 over 4. And then you convert this one in improper fraction. So 5 times 4 is 20, 22 over 5 minus 11 over 5, 15. So to become 15, you multiply this in 3, right? 22 times 3 equals 66, and then 5 times 3 equals 15. Minus 11 over 15. So this one, 15 over 4 times 55. So 1, 1. So the answer is 55 over 4 equals 13 and 3/4. Okay, so you can see the answer. So now let's have page 26. It's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Page 26. Answer that like this na. I just erase the answer, okay? But you can make like this. Okay, again, that is page 26 of your workbook. Okay, guys, good luck. Thank you. By the way, write your number and your name in your workbook na, because I will check that everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.